Coding is addictive until you have to sit down for 5 hours just to fix a single bug, and then you feel frustrated. But let's be real, it's also kind of a magical thing, right? Think about it. Just a few lines of code and boom, you are commanding a machine to do exactly what you want. And then when your code actually works, it feels unreal. Imagine those binary instructions turning into something visible, an app, या फिर कोई website, and even game. It's like bringing a dream to a life. Well, next time you start coding, just give yourself a dopamine hit. Fixed your bug, celebrate. API call working in your weather app, pat yourself on the back. Wrote a clean function, celebrate it too, क्योंकि तुमने clean code लिखा है. Now pause for a moment. Think, why did you start coding in the first place? Maybe it was curiosity, maybe ambition, maybe शायद Iron Man के Jarvis को काम करते हुए देखकर तुम्हें मजा आया. Maybe just the thrill of creating something out of the box. The best way to make it addictive? Well, focus on the joy of solving problems, one step at a time, because the journey is just as rewarding as the destination. So next time when you sit down to code, don't stress yourself about the big picture. Celebrate the small wins. Stay curious and trust me, you will be hooked in no time.